Hi. From this video, you will learn how to delete YouTube account permanently. Let's get started. First of all, log in your channel. Go to your channel dashboard. Click on Setting. Click Advanced Setting. Scroll down. Click Delete. Give your channel password. Click I want to permanently delete my account. Mark the blank box. Click Delete my account. Enter your existing email address mentioned above. Then click of Delete my account. That's it. Your YouTube channel has been deleted. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.